In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color of an email in Outlook using Office 365. Whether you want to add a little personal touch to your emails or just make certain messages stand out, a quick change in background color can make all the difference. So let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First, you want to begin by opening a new email message. To do this in Outlook, simply navigate to the new email button. You'll find this typically located on your toolbar or the Home tab. Clicking this will open a blank email message where you can start crafting your content. This is where we'll be applying our background color. Next, look towards the top of your email message window. You'll see various tabs on the ribbon that runs across the top. We're interested in the Options tab for this task. Go ahead and click on the Options tab to access the additional features and formatting tools you'll need. Once you're on the Options tab, direct your attention to the Themes group. Here, you'll find a button labeled Page Color. This tool will allow us to modify the background of the email we are composing. Click on the Page Color button. Clicking this opens up a palette of colors from which you can choose. You'll see a variety of options ranging from basic colors to more vibrant ones, aimed at providing the flexibility to match your mood or the tone of the email. Now, all you need to do is choose your preferred color from this palette. You might want to consider the readability of your email when selecting a color, as intense colors can affect the text visibility. It's often best to select a color that complements the text and does not detract from it. Simply click on your chosen color and voila! You should immediately see the background of your email reflecting your new choice, giving it a fresh and personalized feel. In summary, changing the background color in Outlook is a simple process and a great way to enhance the appearance of your emails. Just remember, you start by opening a new email, head over to the Options tab, find the Page Color button, and pick a color that suits your message. And there you have it, a more visually engaging email ready to be sent. I hope you found this guide helpful and that your emails are now a bit more colorful and lively. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.